Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G 2025 to an Android device. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting free app codes sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it and hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, and here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and tap on Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!